After a few hours on the road, we have escaped the city. We are out in nowhere, and we have found a really awesome cabin, which we'll be enjoying for a few days. And we're waiting for some more friends, but we actually got here first, believe it or not, in Truck Norris. And this is what I'm looking at right now. How sick is this? It's a treetop cabin just next to a river, and there's no other people here. Just the way we like it. Look at this. How nice is this?
Oh, it's huge.
There's a bathtub. Wow. Oh my god. What? Ah! This is like the dream cabin.
Hello, party?
Nej!
Hello, party?
Hello! 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 Cabin was awesome, just as expected. And now we need to go and get the goods, while you can take a look at the outhouse, where the toilet is. Hello there, pretty. Here's another good thing about having a big car. You carry all the luggage. I have a feeling this is going to be a really cozy weekend. So even though this cabin is totally awesome, there are two things you need to figure out yourself. First of which is water. There's no running water inside the cabin, but that's no big issue because you have the river right next door. Awesome! Straight from the river! And the second thing is power. There's no electricity in the cabin. But if you have seen my previous videos, you might know that I have a solution, which is right here. This guy will be the solution to our problems. So, solar powered, massive power bank, power station. It should provide enough juice for the days we'll be staying here. Genius. One for you, one for me. Cheers, mate. Yes. Good morning. I actually had to attend a video conference for work today, and the treetop hut didn't have the appropriate coverage, so there was no Wi-Fi or 4G. So I'm in Truck Norris, and it seems like he does just fine as a home office station too. And this is the way I've set up. Really good chair, coffee going here, and ready for work.
Okay, so here's the plan. We're gonna fill this tub up with pretty decent hot water, and then we're gonna run into the river, lie down because it's not deep enough to swim, and it's freezing cold. And then we're gonna get back in the tub, and Simon is gonna try to film it with the drone and with the camera. So we'll see how it goes.
The girls are having the time of their lives in the bathtub, while us boys, we're just providing hot water and keeping the fire alive to keep them warm.
Hey, are you ready for the tour? I'm gonna show you around this really beautiful cabin. We're gonna continue up about 6 meters. Check it out.
Welcome to the cabin. This is the kitchen. It's small, efficient. There's a gas oven and a sink where you can wash up. There's no running water, of course, but there's plenty in the river. And yeah, you have all the stuff you need here, plates, cutlery, it's all provided. In the back there's like a really manual washroom. It's another sink, and it's a possibility to take a shower. But there's no light, no electricity, so you have to do it really manually. Lovely fireplace where you can boil water for washing up, taking a shower and such. There's 2 beds in this floor, one on each side, with lovely view, lots of natural light, windows, and storage underneath. And in the middle of the room there's a ladder going up to the penthouse part, where there's a double bed. where 2 people can sleep, and it's like a panoramic 360 with even a sky window, so there's plenty of light.
And the centerpiece is of course this magnificent view. Let's continue to the outside. Here you have a seating area for 4 people, and you also have an extra bed actually. If you want to sleep under the open sky, or not completely, but if you want to be really in contact with nature, you can actually sleep out here. So we left the cabin, we've been driving for a couple of hours. Now we have set up camp. We're gonna tent this night. It's starting to get a little bit cold, so we're gonna make a fire. And I don't know if you remember that we put in these bad boys. Now it's time to put them to use.
Okay, let's go check out the campsite.
Yeah.